video we're going to and data. So I have the raw donation data open in Excel, and now I'm going to open a new file that I have with the new data that we want to score. So I've just called it prediction data, and as you can see, there's just our three rows. I went ahead and put in the zeros in here because I was getting an error without that, so it's got both of those. I'm going to switch back to the donation data, and first we're going to go ahead and partition it, standard partition, and we're just going to take all of the variables, move them over. I'm leaving the seed set and 60-40 split. So now we have our partition data, and I'm going to classify it with discriminant analysis. The donate variable is our output variable. All of the other ones are inputs. We're going to leave all the other defaults and go to the next screen. I'm going to leave it using the occurrences in the training data to use for the probability. And we're going to do the linear discriminant functions and the detailed report. So here's how we score the new data. Our new data is in a worksheet, not in a database. So if we click the detailed report, we're going to get this new screen, and now we can tell it which workbook our new data to score is located. It's in the prediction data, so now it's switched over there. I had used the same names for our variables, so I can do match by name, and it's going to show you how it's going to match those up. And don't worry about the donation one, because it's not going to, that's what it's supposed to predict anyway. And now hit OK. And everything else is the same. We've just added in this new one. So if we click finish, it's going to go through its analysis. Now we have our normal output. We can scroll down and see our probabilities have stayed the same. My error is still coming up at 2704, which I keep getting no matter how I run it. So that's standard. If we go back up here, and I keep getting the same confusion matrix, if you go up here, there's a new link that says new data detailed report. It's also down here in the new score. So you can click on that, or you could click on that link up there. They'll both go to the same place. And now we get the probability for 0 and the probability for 1. And these look just like pretty much what we saw in R for the probability for 1. They're pretty much matching up. So all of these are going to be predicted as 0, since the probability for 0 is higher than the probability for 1.